So we're going to copy over just your gradebook from your previous class. So I'm acting as you so that you can see, so it'll look like what you will look like when you want to copy these, when you want to do something like this. So you go to Course Admin, Edit Course, and this is in your target course. That is to say where you want things to go to. So in this case it's Biology 222 S1 SP23. So this is where you want them to go to. Then we're going to go into Import, Export, Copy Components down here under Course Administration. I went to Edit Course. Remember, I went Edit Course, and I was in Course Administration. I chose Import, Export, Copy Components. Right here at the top is Copy Components from another org unit. So you're going to search for your offering, and what you're going to choose is, you're going to look here, and probably you can just do a, if you don't have a lot, you can just do a search, and it will show all your courses. But probably you want to restrict it, so we want to look at for Bio 221, FA22, search, and so we get this one here. We click the little circle, the radio button, add selected, and what that does is it adds it here. Now here's the key. Instead of hitting copy all, which is what you would do for copying an entire course, you're going to do select components. And what this is going to do is this is going to let us just pick and choose which items we want to bring over. So since you want to bring your gradebook items, we're going to choose the grades and grade settings. Now if there was only specific items in the gradebook that you wanted, say like you only wanted the quizzes and not everything else, you could, instead of doing copy all, you could go down here and say select individual items to copy. And then I'll show you what that looks like. Then if we went to that, we go continue, and you see you would be able to choose, you know, which ones and which things to copy over of the individual items. But we're just going to copy them all over. Okay, since you wanted them all. And so there you go. And now we hit continue. And then we don't need to offset the days or anything since we're not going to be worrying about that. And then finish. And let it do its little thing here. And once it's done, we can then go look at the gradebook. And you will see that you have all the grade items from before. Now if you need to remove any of these or change any of them, you can go up under the Manage Grades and pick and choose items that you want to sort of either delete. Right, again, pick items to delete, or here we have Quiz 0 as a bonus item. So now that you have all these items here, remember that then you're going to associate quizzes and assignments to them, right? So you'll be going into your quiz or assignment items, like say for example quizzes over here, quiz 1, right? When you go edit that, you're going to go up into here, and under the assessment tab, the grade item, you're going to choose to associate it with one of the existing grade items there. And you'll do this with all of your assignments and stuff like that. Okay? Hope this helped.